If you want to know how to send a GIF in Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can quickly find the perfect GIF and send it in a server or a direct message. This is a super easy feature, but if you've never used it before, it can save you time and make your messages a lot more fun. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this on desktop, laptop, or mobile, and the process is very similar across all versions. Once Discord is open, look at your left side panel and select the user or the server where you want to send the GIF. If you're sending it to a friend, open the direct message chat. If you're sending it to a server, click into the right channel where you want the GIF to appear. After that, go to the message box at the bottom of the chat. Next to the emoji section, you should see the GIF icon. It usually appears right beside the emoji button, so it's easy to spot once you know where to look. Click on the GIF icon, and Discord will open a GIF library for you. Now you can search for the emotion, reaction, or topic you want. For example, you can type in words like happy, funny, excited, sad, or even something specific related to your conversation. Discord will instantly show you a collection of matching GIFs. Take your time and scroll through the results until you find one that fits the message you want to send. Once you find the GIF you like, just click on it. The GIF will immediately be sent into the chat. That's it. No extra steps, no uploads, and no complicated setup. It's one of the fastest ways to react in Discord and make your conversations more expressive. If you want to send more GIFs later, just repeat the same process. Open the chat, click the GIF icon, search for your keyword, and choose the GIF you want. It's that easy. So now you know exactly how to send a GIF in Discord in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.